everyone, it's me, your teacher Death of the Philippines, and we are back for another tutorial clip. So for this clip, we are to talk about pronoun and antecedents, particularly using pronoun that agrees with our antecedents. Alright, before anything else, I have here sentences, and I want you to tell to whom the pronoun she here that with red text refers. So here's our sentences. Kathy wrote a novel about a young woman. She had 3 sisters. Alright, can you tell to whom the pronoun she refers there? The sentence is not clear, yes, because the word she could refer to either Kathy or a young woman. Sometimes you must repeat a noun or rewrite a sentence to avoid confusion, and that's the reason why we are to discuss these things about pronoun and antecedents, particularly using pronoun with the agreement of our antecedents. Yes. Alright, so to start, if we are to say pronoun, it is a word that takes place of a noun. Examples for pronouns are he, his, she, it, they, someone, who. And just like nouns, pronouns can do all of the things that nouns can do. Yes, they can be subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, object of the preposition, and more. Okay, so we have here 2 sentences. Father brought his tennis. Next, we have Lino has an expensive new bike. He takes good care of it. So now, what have you observed in our sentences? Yes, there are underlined words. Now, what do you think are the words being underlined there? What do you call those words? Very good. They are pronoun. Now, why can you say that they are pronoun? Because yaha, it takes place of your noun. So let's try to focus number 1. By the way, if you are to say takes place, another term for that is replace or substitute. So let us now try to focus number 1. Father brought his tennis. So now again, you have said that his there is our pronoun because that replaces our noun, which is alright, father. Very good. So now let's move to the second sentence. Lino has an expensive new bike. He takes good care of it. So he there, according to you, is our pronoun because it takes place, replaces, substitutes our noun, which is, of course, Lino. So therefore, for the first one sentence, he's there refers to your father. Very good. And he there for the second, Lino has an expensive new bike. He takes good care of it. He there refers according to you to Lino. So again, there's something, okay, there's a term for that. Something that is being referred of your pronoun is what we call, yeah, that's antecedent. If you are to say antecedent, it is a word to which the pronoun refers. Yes, so again, let's make use of our sentences, no? Yung kanina natin. Okay. Example, yung ginamit natin kanina for number 1. Father brought his tennis. Again, his there is our pronoun referring to our father. So again, that word being referred to your pronoun is what we call antecedent. So for that sentence, father brought his tennis, our antecedent there is the word, very good, that with red text, father. Father is our antecedent in that sentence because it is being referred of your pronoun his. Again, father brought his tennis. His there is our pronoun, which is being referred to your father. Therefore, your father there is someone who is being referred of your pronoun his. Therefore, father is our very good antecedent. Number 2, Lino has an expensive new bike. He takes good care of it. So, we are talking of Lino, who has an expensive new bike. He takes good care of it. That word he there is referring to. Very good. Lino. Since Lino is being referred for that pronoun, then Lino is an very good antecedent. Alright. Okay, so in using pronouns, there are things that you need to remember. Okay, and this is it. When you use pronouns, be sure they agree with their antecedents in number. So when you talk of a number, it can either be singular or plural. And then gender. The gender of a noun may be masculine. Masculine are for males, right? Then feminine for female, or neuter for referring to things. By the way, like for male, we have there he, him, his, something like that. Then for feminine, that's it. She, her, hers, that's it. Then for neuter, referring to things, it, its, that's it. Then we have here sentence. My dress is new. Its color is bright red. So, what's your pronoun being used there? Yes, it's its, now referring to your dress, which is your, to my dress, which is your antecedent, our antecedent, of course. So we're using our pronoun there, and we agree them with our antecedent in number, right? In number, it's singular, of course. Then gender, since it's referring to things, then it's neuter. That's alright. So again, for this sentence, Macbeth and Emmy are Joe's sisters. Joe writes them stories. So you are using what pronoun? Very good. Them. Them there agree with your antecedents, or sorry, your them there referred to Macbeth and Emmy. And as you see, there is an agreement of your antecedent there to your pronoun, right? Then in number, it's clear enough that them is in plural. That's it. Next, for you to understand more, let's try this activity here. Direction. Oh my, never mind the Edison. Direction. Underline the pronoun and box its antecedent. Antecedent. Number 1. Edison left his car in the driveway. Underline the pronoun. What's the pronoun there? Right, his. Then, box the antecedent. His there is referring to your noun being replaced, which is Edison. Very good. Again, if you are to say takes place, another term for that is replace or substitute. So, his there is taking place, replaces, substitutes the name of our noun, which is Edison. So, his again, our pronoun there. Then, referring to Edison, Edison is our antecedent. Next, number 2. Jane hears mass with her family. What's our pronoun there being used? Her. Very good. Referring to our noun, Jane. So therefore, Jane is our antecedent. Rightness. Very good. So, Kate, Trisha earned her millions by working hard. That's number 3, supposedly. Trisha earned her millions by working hard. So, what's our pronoun there? Underline. Very good. Her. Referring to our noun, Trisha. Yes. Then, therefore, Trisha is our antecedent. Very good. Next again. Okay, the girls found their pants in the box. There is our pronoun referring to our girls. So that's it. There is being underlined. Then girls being boxed because it's our antecedent. Then try to look at your pronoun in terms of number. Is it singular or plural? All right, plural, right? Then that's it. Very good. All right, so here we are for another activity. All right, direction. Complete the following sentences by identifying the correct pronoun from the list. Okay, here. Father opened my, his, her gifts before us. Okay, what do you think is the correct pronoun there? That refers to your father. Oh, mine. The pronoun being used there is his. Very good. Referring to your father. Then, in terms of gender, that's masculine. Very masculine, right? Then, in number, it's right. Very good. Singular. Another. Did Ruel leave my, his, our bag in the room? Alright, try to look at Ruel there. What do you think is the correct pronoun that you have to use since Ruel is, as antecedent, is of course masculine? Then, very good, his. Alright, referring to Rowell. Then, in terms of number, clear enough, obvious that it's singular, right? Is only one, Rowell is only one. Okay, number next. Sister, okay, sister told her his my experiences when they went to the zoo. All right, sister there. What do you think is the pronoun that could replace the of your sister? Then sister, of course, is very much feminine. All right, her. That's it. Then in terms of number, that's singular. Uh-huh. Okay, for the last item. The curtain has lost its, her, his beautiful and glossy texture. Okay, what do you think is the correct pronoun that could replace the word curtain? Uh-huh, curtain there, very much obvious in terms of gender, that's neutral. Alright, pronoun for neutral, which is neutral, is it's very good. Referring to your curtain. So that's all, I guess. And thank you so much for viewing. Hope you have learned something new tonight. And this is me once again, Teacher Death of the Philippines. And thank you so much for watching, mga ka-fam ko. And that's it. If you are new, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and please do hit the bell for you to view more vids like this. Thank you so much. Once again, it's me, Bernadette of the Philippines, saying bye-bye for now and good morning. Bye-bye.